everyone, my name is Sahar and I'm going to show you guys how to make a Middle Eastern dessert called baklava. So we use this tray right here. It's a serving size of 20 to 30 people. Fillo pastry sheet, and then 2 sticks of unsalted butter, 1 cup of honey, 3 teaspoons of ground cardamom, 1/4 cup of rosewater, 1/2 cup of sugar, and then 2 cups of skinless cut up almonds. We use the food processor to blend it to look like this. We're gonna start by putting some butter on the bottom of the tray to make sure that the Fillo paper does not stick to it once we're done baking. We just unrolled the Fillo paper and we're gonna take half of it and spread it flat on the tray. Now we are pouring almonds onto the sheet, and you're gonna mix the sugar, the cardamom, and just mix it. We like to do this on the sheet. If you prefer doing it in a bowl and then pouring it on here, you can as well. And then lay it flat throughout the sheet. Once you're done mixing it, make sure you flatten out the mixture all throughout the Fillo sheet. And then we're gonna splash rosewater throughout the pan. Once you're done with that, take the other half of the Fillo sheet, lay it on top. We're going to start cutting up the way you want it to look, but we like to just keep it simple and do the squares. We melted some butter and we are pouring it on top of the Fillo sheet. As you can see, we've already cut up all the squares, and we're also preheating the oven to 350. It's almost ready. Now that the oven is at 350, you want to put in the baklava on the lower half of the oven. Check up on it in roughly 20 minutes. The top half should be a golden color and it should start to get crispy. When you pull it out of the oven, it should look like this. We left it in there for 40 minutes and then we turned off the oven but let it sit in there for another 10 minutes. And now we are drizzling honey on top of it. You can decide how much honey you want to put on top. Let it sit for a bit and then you're all done.